Hi, and welcome to the YouTube channel called the Loco Airstreamer, formerly known as the Airstream Diary. It's the original Airstream Diary. My name is Shannon, and on this channel you won't find any gratuitous videos of chicks climbing ladders, like nice butt shot. That's not here. You won't find any cute little couples doing cute little things. That's not here either. This is about rebuilding as opposed to restoring vintage Airstreams and the things I've learned along the way from Ann and Paul at AP Vintage Trailer Works in Paradise, Texas. So those guys are the guys when it comes to knowledge about vintage Airstreams and rebuilding. They don't mess with restoration as much. They're about rebuilding, and that's where I went. That's where I've been working. And so, and working on my Airstream for several years, and now it's back here at the house, and we're getting it on. So please like and subscribe. This channel is also kind of cooperates with the Texas Flycaster YouTube channel, and the reason it cooperates is this is my home on the shore, home in the mountains, and home anywhere to go fly fishing. But in the meantime, we're working hard on the Airstream 1970 Safari 23-footer. It's been a gut, full Monty, and from the ground up build. So I believe in Wally Byam's saying of making improvements, and that's what we do here. If I see videos that are better than mine, I'll definitely put them in the link to those in the description for my videos, and you can go see better videos. I eventually will start a TV channel for the Airstream Nation, a bunch of loco people, and that's off in the future, along with this Airstream being my home away from home for fly fishing adventures and things like that. I live for your questions, comments, likes, and subscribes. Visit the Texas Flycaster YouTube channel for where a whole lot more goes on and has been going on for a long time, 15 years. So anyway, thanks for watching the intro, and get down there and click on some videos, see if you like them. Sorry if I'm too well dressed. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.